Hello, it's Miss Hake back for some more literacy. We are going back to the sound k, k, k. What two letters make the k sound? Did you say C? And there's one more. K, you got it. We're going to do this sentence together. Kim's cat craves cod. Do you know what cod is? It's a fish. When you crave something, you really want it. I know my kitty cat loves fish. Let's try it again. Kim's cat craves cod. Nice job. Let's see if we can say it all by ourselves. Are we ready? Beautiful. Now, where do you hear the k sound? Kim. Is it in the beginning, the middle, or the end? The beginning. Cat. The beginning. Craves. The beginning. Good. Cod. The beginning. So I'm wondering if you could write out your poem here, your sentence. Kim's cat craves cod, and come up and circle all the k C's. So which ones are the C's? After you've circled all the C's, can you circle the k sound that the K makes? Do you see a K? Correct. So pick out all your k sounds. How many would you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. So make sure this is displayed in the room and they get to circle the k's. The k, 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 k. All right. We are going to talk about these two words here. These belong in the act family. Act. We know all these sounds, so let's sound it out. Act. Act. I'm going to say it slow and you say it fast. Act. And then you're going to go act. Have you got it? One more time. Act. Act. So if this is act, we put an F in front. Is the sound the F makes. Act. Act. What's that new word? Act and fact. You got it. Act, fact. What is a fact? It's something that we know for sure. Yeah. So now you know the act and fact belong in an act family. Perfect. Now let's go through our sounds with the k, k, k at the front. Can you try this one? K, an, can. That's right. K, an, can. You put all the sounds together. Can. Next one. K, at, k, at, k, at. Cat. You got it. Are you ready? K, asked, k, asked, cast, cast. Have you ever broken your arm or your leg and had to wear a cast? Cast. Last one. K, app, cap, cap. Don't forget to put the cap on your marker. Or sometimes people call their baseball hats caps. Yeah, cap. I love the fact that you are reading all of your words with the k sound at the start. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your own words with the k sound. Find the letter C that you made and put it underneath, and you can start creating a word wall. Amazing. Yeah, perfect. Now we're going to move over to the other sound that the k makes. What letter is that? Did you say K? You are correct. All right. So here are some words one's from our poem. Kim. 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 You got it. Kim. All right. Try this one. It. Kit. You got it. Ooh, we know these sounds. Kiss. Mwah. And the next one. Ilt. Kilt. Kilt. Do you know what a kilt is? It's something that some people wear, and it has a pattern of a plaid on it. It's a kilt. So these can go underneath your K letter for your word wall. Now we know that sometimes the C and the K go together and they make the k sound together. So knowing all of these sounds, let's see if we can sound it out. Track. We know this is k. Track. Did you say track? You're amazing. Clickety-clack, go down the track. All right. Knowing that's an ack ending, ack, we're going to change the first two out. Are you ready? Stack. Stack. Did you say stack? Stack. Stack. Can you stack your balls or your blocks? Stack and track. Do you see how they have the same endings? All right. If this is ack, huh, ack, hack, hack. That's right. Hack. Perfect. Ack, ack, ack. Tack. You got it. Have you ever hurt your hand on a thumbtack before? Ooh. Ack with a p at the beginning. Ack, ack, pack, pack. Have you ever had to pack a suitcase to go somewhere? Ack, ack, rack. Yeah. What's a rack? Do you have a clothing rack that you hang your clothes up on? Do you have a dish rack that you put your dishes in? And the last one with the ack ending, ack, sack. Yeah. A big, gigantic, I guess, bag, we would call it, is a sack, and you can put lots of things in. Sack. You're amazing. So